G'day, Namaste, Sasrikal, Salam. I'm Ari for Indoz TV here at the Brisbane City Hall, August 3rd for the Empowering Migrant Expo. An expo that I expect will showcase culture, food, and lots of different aspects of cultures from countries around the world. Through my eyes, I take you on a journey inside Brisbane City Hall for the showcase that is available on display here. Tell us a little bit about your shop and the culture that you're representing today.
My shop is called Mercy's Collection and my name is Mercy, so it's my collection.
Yeah.
It's a collection of things that I would love to wear. Yeah. The culture, I come from 3 different places.
Yeah.
I was born in Kenya to Ugandan parents, and then I was adopted in Tanzania.
Right.
So when you ask me, I would say I'm East African. So that's where I have every little bit of something to represent each of the countries that I come from.
If somebody comes to the shop and says there's one product I would love to buy, your favorite product, what would you tell them?
The kimono. What I am wearing is my favorite product. And even when you go on my page, you'll find that Janice Peterson from SBS, the SBS news presenter, she's wearing the same thing. This was the inspiration, and this is why I started making clothes.
Thank you so much for your time today. I hope it's a lovely day for you.
I hope so too, but I think even if it's not a lovely day, I think the exposure itself is something that I would appreciate to have. People seeing that the color and the vibrancy of everything is a feeling that I want everyone to get out of today.
Thank you so much, Macy. Good morning, ladies. We are from the Indoz TV and we would love to know a little bit about your stall today. So tell us what we represent here and what culture is it from?
Okay, so we're both Indians, been here for a couple of decades.
Yeah.
We are full-time working mums.
Yeah.
In order to deal with the full-time working mum life, we started this mindfulness meditation art.
Yes.
So we started this for our mental health,
Right.
but as people saw the benefits, they started to ask us to take lessons. So we've started taking mindfulness. It's like meditation, but through art. And as we started that, we ended up with more and more paintings, so which is why we are selling them today.
Right.
But what we'd like to promote is art is a very good mindfulness tool. Some people can't sit and meditate. This is a great way to meditate. So,
Creative outlet
Correct.
feeds your soul.
Correct.
Is that what we are trying to
That's
say?
exactly
Even for a busy mom.
oh, definitely. We both sit from 8:30 once all our chores are done. 8:30 to 10 is our mindfulness time, and that's what comes out of that.
These patterns are so intricate and they look so beautiful. Do they represent different parts of the country or simply your manifestation of art?
Basically it just brings out the creativity in you, and it's a way of self-expression.
Yeah.
So we don't follow any rules, or we don't follow a design. We just do what comes in our mind.
Yeah.
And that helps us release, because when we do it, we can't think of anything else, because we have to pay so much attention, and we use specialized tools
Yeah.
to do these art styles. And when we do it, we can't think of anything else. So yeah, it's all self-expressions and creativity.
That's so nice to hear. In today's hectic world, we definitely need to find ways to calm ourselves down or slow ourselves down. I wish you guys all the best. Hopefully it turns out an extremely eventful day for you. Feli, tell us a little bit about what people can expect at the shop today and what are we representing at your stall?
Okay, so hi, this is Feli Christensen. I am the founder and the CEO of the Sariling Atin. Sariling Atin are the representation of the Philippines here in Australia. We also have Sariling Atin in Dubai. Sariling Atin is a product from the Philippines. We have the bolero, barong, the embroidery, hand-painted blouses, and anything really from the Philippines. So it's something I'm very proud of my culture. And being here in the multicultural event is very gratifying to be part of it.
That's lovely to hear. If someone was to buy one product from the shop,
Yes.
what would you recommend it to
I think
be?
it's the barong like what I'm wearing right now because this is like a representation of the Philippines and it has the Philippine color, Philippine flag.
It does look beautiful.
Yes.
We'll take it to the viewers for sure. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.
Ladies, these outfits are absolutely mesmerizing. Tell us a little bit more about who you are dressed as and who you are dressed as.
I'm dressed as Rapunzel from Tangled.
Okay.
And I'm dressed as Elsa from Frozen.
Absolutely incredible effort. So the area and the stall looks like it's going to be really popular with the kids. What can we expect here today?
Lots of balloon animals. We have swords, hats, hearts. We can do dogs. We also have face painting and then glitter work as well. And we also have some stickers that you can also take home.
That's a lot to do. For little kids who are in the area, if you are keen and you would like to see our lovely
Elsa
And?
and Rapunzel.
then you have to come check out this stall. Thank you so much for your time.
you.
At the Migrant Expo today, or Empowering Migrant Expo today here in the city, I can see a lovely African lady putting henna on a lady from Asia.
Actually, I do Indian dance in Japan.
Oh, that's amazing to hear.
Yeah.
But this does tell me how our cultures have all gelled together
Yeah.
and the patterns are outstanding. Where did you learn how to do it?
Honestly, just online. Like,
You learned this online?
yeah. off
Self-taught
YouTube.
yourself?
Self-taught.
That's amazing. And where did your love for henna come from?
Because Indian culture, I do Indian dance,
Oh,
and
wow.
I used to teach yoga in Japan. So
Wow, that's really nice.
I went to India many times, 4 times, 5.
Your favorite place to visit in India?
Yes.
What would be the favorite city you like in India?
Rishikesh, or Dharamsala, or Leh. Yeah.
Dharamshala is gorgeous too. I am so impressed that you learn how to do it by watching it online.
Okay, thank you.
You take care. Have a lovely day.
No worries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So I'm in front of a really colorful stall here at the Empowering Migrants Expo, and Cynthia is going to tell us what is she doing here today.
Hi, so my name is Cynthia, and my store is called Afro Chic Designs.
Yes.
So I get all my stuff from Zimbabwe in Africa. Yeah.
That's very impressive. Lots of different colors. If there was one thing you had to recommend someone from this stall today, what would you recommend?
I would say everything. Yeah. I guess I mean, something like this.
Yeah.
These kimonos. Yeah, they are quite popular.
They are called kimonos.
Yeah, they're called kimonos.
What about in your language? What are they called?
This I don't know. I don't know the name. I don't think there is. But yeah, I think they're just called kimonos.
Beautiful. So Cynthia is here selling kimonos today, and I urge you to come and check them out. There are lots of different colors. They look absolutely beautiful for all sizes. But I wish Cynthia all the best for the day.
Thank you.
So here at the Empowering Migrant Expo, I am with Panchali. It is a beautiful accessories shop, and I can see these accessories represent a lot of different parts of India. Please tell us a little bit more about the shop and what you are representing here today, Panchali.
Right. Hello, Arvind. I'm Panchali, and this is my brand called Indie Pride. So basically, Pride of India. So we have here different assortment of beautiful selection of jewelry from different parts of India, right? From the east, from the south, and from the north as well. And I have some delicate pieces which are like designer inspired. Sabyasachi is one of my favorite designer.
Yeah.
So I have few pieces here which are inspired from Sabyasachi designs. And there's some nice collections for Garba, upcoming Garba collections. And so something for your everyday wear as well. So please come and have a look and check out my collection. And thank you for this opportunity.
You're welcome. So this might be a hard question, but which one is your favorite piece today?
I would say that one.
This one?
Yes.
Tell us more about this.
Okay, so this is one of Sabyasachi inspired latest designs, and it's a Hasli set, so which is really trending at the moment, and it's all gold coated, and it's got like the semi-precious stones on it and with American diamonds. So that really makes it kind of like a contemporary fusion and traditional wear, something which you can team up with any attire of your choice.
Panchali, is Hasli from Rajasthan?
That is from Rajasthan. That's right.
Beautiful piece there. What else would you recommend people to check out?
Pretty much everything, actually. You know, I can bet once that once you come and check my shop, you cannot just go empty-handed from here. This is another piece which is my favorite. This is with like natural stones, kind of like marble finish, and it's something which goes beautifully with anything that you like to pair up with. And these are all latest trending collections which has been doing in Instagram, and you check in reels and everything. So this is one of the must-haves.
That's amazing. I can see that going really well with a sari or a suit that you want to wear. Do check out Panchali's shop here at the Empowering Migrant Expo.